Fix: this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem solution. So the first thing you can do is long press on your app and then go ahead and click on app info. So you'll see the option of clear data at the very bottom, and if not, you can always go to storage and then go to this clear data right here. So you can just tap on this clear data and click on clear cache and clear all data. So if this doesn't work for you, what you can do is go ahead and go to WhatsApp and then click on the three dots at the top right corner and then go to the help center. So once you're here, you'll see the option of accounts and account bans. So click on that and then go to account bans. So click on about account bans. So here it will tell you what you can do, and you can email them if you think that your account has been banned by mistake. So you can just tap on email us, and if it's only related to WhatsApp Messenger support, you can click on contact us for that, or if it's related to business app, you can click on that. So I'm just going to click on this Messenger support. So here you'll need to provide all your detailed information. So go ahead and enter your phone number and your email address, and then click on the type of phone that you're using for WhatsApp, and then go ahead and enter your message below. And once you've typed out the information, you can go ahead and click on this next step, and you'll have to wait a few days and WhatsApp will send an email back to you. So this is how to fix: this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to spam problem solution.